Scripts can considerably extend the performance of NADA SignalShark and relieve us of routine jobs. Many scripts based on the Python language are available free of charge on the NADA homepage. Of course, you can also install your own scripts on the SignalShark or modify the NADA scripts. NADA provides extensive tools and descriptions for this purpose. Scripts are usually small software programs that are used to remotely control a device. However, as the SignalShark already has an integrated Windows PC, there is no need for an external PC. The SignalShark can control itself. The link between the SignalShark user interface and the scripts is the so-called script launcher. It is started by pressing the PY-soft key. The script launcher enables scripts to be executed without having to leave the SignalShark application. It can also group them to maintain clarity. First, install the script launcher, which is available free of charge on the NADA homepage. You can check whether the script launcher is already installed on your SignalShark by the small PY-soft key in the display. It is still missing here. Installation is just as easy as on any Windows PC. Download, unzip, and make it available to SignalShark, for example via USB stick. Go to Windows via the Service menu and log in as administrator. Then start the installation from the USB stick. After successful installation, restart SignalShark and test the new PY-soft key on the screen. This is not just a check, but now the script launcher also creates the directory structure that we need for the scripts. Now we can copy the scripts into the directory provided for them. Each time the script launcher is restarted, it scans exactly this directory and makes the scripts available. The scripts are simply copied here, again in unpacked form via USB stick into the directory. If you restart the script launcher, the scripts appear and are ready for use. Very simple and can be used by anyone, even without programming knowledge. Good success with SignalShark and its scripts. NADA Safety Test Solutions.